Boral's a multinational company. We work in the quarry business, and we run about 70 quarries across the country. Deer Park is the biggest quarry in the southern region. We supply the full suite of the pavement from sub-base layers up to the final asphalt layer. Supplies internally asphalt and concrete. We got a sense that the SANDVIK guys were hearing our challenge, trying to understand exactly what our problem was, and were providing us with different alternate solutions based on their past projects. Was a big benefit of working with SANDVIK.
The three stages of the contract for Breeze were the ECI, the design supply and the technical support. ECI is an early contractor involvement contract, and involves utilising the designer and supplier to facilitate the finalisation of the design to the point where the design is defined to the extent where the pricing can be locked and the commercial terms for the design supply can be locked, thereby minimising any change or variation during the execution of the project.
It was a big advantage having the SANDVIK guys on site, working in amongst all of the other packages, from foundations through to the construction and through the electrical packages. The SANDVIK guys were able to answer technical questions related to their equipment and machine, and helped the process run more smoothly.
Yes, using the 3D CAD software has a major advantage in that we are able to view the final design in live, as a live TV screen, if you want to put it that way, and allows us to do walkthroughs and go through maintainability, operability studies before we build the thing, and make sure that everything functions and is erected as we think it will be. For a project this size, it's probably the best I've ever seen in terms of structural fabrication and the quality of fit.
Three significant outcomes of the project have been that we're able to complete the project without a lost time injury. And the SANDVIK team's work with our team and a robust design clearly helped us to achieve that. We were able to achieve on time, and also the plant to date has exceeded its performance expectations and exceeded our expectations.